Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A51 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly. So for example, the screen stopped responding to your touches. You can try to force restart the system, and to do that we have to press the power button, which is located right here. Press it long enough until we will see the black screen, the developer's logo, and the system will be restarted. It will take approximately 10 seconds to press the button. So let me press it. And let's wait. Of course, we've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it because the screen does not work. So keep pressing the power button. And as you can see, we've got the black screen. I felt the vibration. We've got the developer's logo, which simply means that we just reset the system, and our device should work perfectly fine after turning it on completely. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.